what's so important a lot of times when people watch the show, and sometimes they'll see me at a production of ours, or they'll see us at a ceremony, but then they'll see us in the city all of a sudden, and then they kind of get thrown off or something. But it's like, no, all of this is part of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Right. But the difference is that when I go to other big cities, I learn from people that their people left behind their traditions. Right. They stopped using their traditions. Wherein here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, like you say, even as it get urban around the people still find their way to the water. That's right. And they find their way back to its tradition and the culture, and they still hold on to them. That's exactly. So this is really great, and we definitely thank the Gullah Geechee Angel Network for keeping them going on in real life and to bring them to the stage for the children.
But I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing unless it was people like yourself and the cast that I have from all over. I mean, they have come here and just worked so hard to bring forth this peace to the community. And all the crew and the cast. I love everybody. I mean, I'm just so excited.
That's how y'all, if y'all ain't never see him in person, that ain't no act for the TV. This your gal life for be excited. See, that's our thing. That's our thing for true. And definitely we know you're going to bring some excitement to the city once again. Yes. Y'all got to know about it. It is Diary from the Neck, Gullah Geechee Matriarch Part 1, and then this year the Crab Crack, the Part 2. Then Chillin' got some DVD coming out, so Hunter gonna be able to get them wherever you're there. Don't bootleg the DVD now. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that.
I know,
make sure you stay in touch with me. You can see that you can go ahead and email from the website. What's coming up on the screen. Stay in touch with the Gullah Geechee Angel Network. You'll know where the production moving around to and everything. But definitely, Hunter Chillin', you know this year the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, with our Minister of Information, Elder Town playwright and director, A Diary from the Neck, Gullah Geechee Matriarch, this year the Crab Crack, and this year what going on. going to be a shouting good time for this your first Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival. Join the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association on historic St. Helena Island, South Carolina, Saturday, October the 30th, beginning at noon. DJ Kwame Shah, Gullah Geechee Seafood, crafts, and presentations all day. Come to Martin Luther King Drive and Highway 21. For more details, 843-838-1171, 843-838-1171, or www.gullahgeecheefishingassociation.com. Come for join me and Nampana leave it from the sea. This will be the first Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival, and it going to be a shouting good time.